It only takes one breach to erode the trust of your users, customers, and partners. Cybersecurity threats can disrupt operations and hurt your business. Meanwhile, developers are overwhelmed trying to deliver code that's compliant with their organization's security practices. Red Hat Trusted Software Supply Chain is a family of products that gives you the tools you need to improve your security posture across the software development lifecycle, and it enables you to shift security left with Red Hat Trusted Application Pipeline. So you can identify vulnerabilities before they reach production, increasing trust and transparency early, while safeguarding your build systems, all from a self-service developer hub. Solution templates with integrated checks simplify vulnerability management directly from your IDE. Constantly analyze dependencies for malicious code and assess the impact radius of any threat. From this system of record, index, and query SBOM vexes to find and fix issues with actionable insights and recommendations. Increase trustworthiness of artifacts using cryptographic signing and a keyless certificate authority. Tamper-proof code with an immutable ledger and transparency logs for a non-reputable audit trail, ensuring integrity and authenticity of the software supply chain. Verify pipeline compliance as you continuously deploy as code to an auditable, immutable state. Generate an automated chain of trust in your CI/CD process to validate SLSA provenance and attestation, with enterprise contracts that verify image signatures and confirm on the expected build process. Stop suspicious build activity from being promoted with security policies as code. Red Hat Trusted Application Pipeline offers flexibility and choice as you shift security left in the software supply chain. These self-managed on-premise capabilities are easily bolted onto your application platform like Red Hat OpenShift or consumed in parts to meet your developers where they are. Through Red Hat Trusted Software Supply Chain, we give you the tools you need to minimize security risks, fortify your supply chain, and grow user trust. Red Hat has been part of our customers' software supply chain for over 30 years, delivering trusted content to their enterprise software. Visit us today to learn more.